1GD's assembly. We are so pleased you could join us to help a very special celebration. Now we will begin with the traditional fan dance.
The 5th and 6th of February this year is a very special time for Chinese people because it is Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year is the first day in the Chinese calendar. How do people celebrate Chinese New Year?
People celebrate being with their family. They put up decorations around their house.
They have flowers and bamboo to celebrate wealth and friendship. Red lanterns that hang around their home to drive off bad luck. Special food is prepared, like fish, dumplings, and people celebrate a dragon dance procession along the street with music and fireworks. Each Chinese New Year is named after an animal. Is the year of the pig. This is because a long time ago in China, the day lamp decided there should be a way to measure time. He called all the animals and said that they would be competing in a race. The first 12 would be rewarded by a year named after them. The 12 animals were the rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig.
I am the year of the dragon. They are confident, hard-working, loyal, and fun.
Miss Hamilton and I are the year of the snake. We are patient, charming, and wise, good at being independent. Mrs. Garvey is the ear of the ox. They are born leaders who work hard. They are patient and loyal to their friends. Mrs. Cochran is the ear of the pig. They are honest, kind, and negligent. They can be untidy at times.
Miss Stone is the year of the horse. They're competent and hard workers. They can do two things at once.
Miss LeBay is the year of the dog. They are faithful and honest. They like to listen to people's problems and help them.
Happy songs, happy people sing along to welcome the best day of the year. Happy songs, let the children gather round, rejoicing in the best day of the year. May the new year bring you all the things you want and the best of the world to you. Happiness in the air, happy feelings everywhere. Let's welcome the best day of the year. Happy sounds, happy people sing along to welcome the best day of the year. Happy sounds, let the children gather round, rejoicing in the best day of the year. May the new year bring you all the things you want and the best of the world to you. Happiness in the air, happy feelings everywhere. Let's welcome the best day of the year.
Time to get comfortable, everyone, and listen carefully because we will now tell you about the legend of Chinese New Year. A long, long time ago in China, there was a big nasty beast called Nian, whose name means year. Nian had razor sharp teeth, giant claws, and a really mean growl. At the time he lived in the wilderness from his earth. But on the darkest night of the year, when the moon was in the sky, he'd sneak in the woods and scare everyone in sight, even the animals. People dreaded the new moon for many, many years. Until a wise man taught them the three things that Liam was afraid of. They learned that Nian was afraid of fire, color red, and now noise. The next time Nian came, the villagers fought back. They hit their drums as loud as they could. They ate every firecracker they had. They all wore the color red from head to toe. The young man far, far away never ever returned. After that, the people started celebrating the new moon instead of fearing it. This celebration became known as Chinese New Year. It is now a time for families to come together and eat delicious food. People still celebrate the legend of Chinese New Year by wearing red, lighting firecrackers and playing drums. They also enjoy the very famous lion dances.
We have now come to the end of our class assembly, all about Chinese New Year. Thank you for being a wonderful audience, and we hope you learned something new today.